Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. Just bringing a stock to your attention here. I'm sure all of you have heard of Johnson & Johnson. I haven't talked about it here on the channel. Just been thinking about this one for quite some time. Just haven't pulled the trigger on it. You can kind of see some of the growth that it's had there. I mean, it's slow growth, kind of some up and down, but as a whole, this one's back to a little bit above pre-pandemic. As you can see, kind of a drop off of there, but this one from the 23rd to the about a month picked up steam, and just as you can see, just kind of trades kind of sideways. So you can buy it on some dips. I mean, there's a lot to say about this company. Pretty steady, stable company. Just keeps gradually going up, but yet it does have its dip. So if you can time it right and buy those dips, by all means, it's your call. So again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. Just here for your edutainment. That's education and entertainment. And once in a while a corny joke here and there. But anyway, I'm sure you've all heard of Johnson & Johnson. You probably have 20 or so of their products in your home, and probably used 5, 10, who knows how many of them today on a daily basis. But again, it's a holding company which engages in the research, development, manufacture, and sale of products in healthcare field, operates through the following segments: consumer, pharmaceutical, medical devices. There's probably some products you've used that you didn't even know that they manufacture, but they're just kind of everywhere. Immunology, infection diseases, vaccines, oncology, just kind of everywhere. So kind of a big conglomerate company that's in everything. As you can see, they've been around forever, huge market cap, and a fairly decent, on the slight juicy side of a dividend. So take that for what it's worth. For you dividend investors, 76 buy rating, and I have some of this in an M1 finance account, just a partial share, slices as they call it. If you're interested in that, there's links in the description. Feel free to use that and get yourself a slice or two. And I'll get a couple slices, which helps out the channel. So if you want to leave a comment, what's your favorite slice, whether it be cherry, apple, or peach, that would be awesome too. So this is the article that kind of caught my eye, and like I said, I've been thinking about this one, just haven't pulled the trigger on it yet. But JNJ declares fresh dividend yield is 2.6%. And I didn't research it. I'm sure this one is a dividend aristocrat. They've been given dividends for quite some time. Just wanted to bounce this article off of you. And if you hadn't heard about the yield is 2.6, that's why I'm here to let you know. So the beginning of the year is full of signature events for many income investors. And this is a good one. A little bit of growth as well as the growth in the dividend. First dividend declaration is one of them. The pharmaceutical giant reliably declares a payout on or near the first trading day of a new year. For 2021, the event occurred right on schedule on Monday. Johnson & Johnson Board of Directors announced that its near quarterly payout will be $1.01 per share. It will be dispensed on March 9th to stockholders of record as of February 23rd. So as long as you right there have it on record as of February 23rd, you'll be looking at that fat juicy dividend of 101 per share on March 9th. And so again, this one's just kind of into everything. Great growth stock. Well, a slower growth stock, I should say. Some may not call it a growth stock. Some consider it a boring stock, a boring dividend stock. Just depends who you talk to. So, but it's a long-lasting favorite of income investors, and it is a dividend aristocrat, just like I told you before. So this one's been paying out, and as you can see, they increased the dividend. A very profitable company, and tons of products. So they'll be doing that for quite some time. So um, lifted their distributions at least once annually for a minimum of 25 years running. J&J has one of the longest such streaks going at 57 years so far. If you want a really good breakdown of a dividend stock on J&J, look up PPC Ian on his channel. He breaks it down into a lot of them are 30 to 40 minutes, but if you want all the, as they say, nuts and bolts of this one, go ahead and look him up. I just don't dive into all that. I just like to bring these to your attention and give you something to think about. And with the CV 19, this one is also in talks of that one. So as you can see, they're a pharmaceutical industry. In addition to the drug making activities, it also has a large, well-established presence in the consumer goods market with a wide range of healthcare related products. Band-Aids, Tylenol, among the more prominent examples. The latter segment generates strong and reliable cash flow and helps fund its dividend hikes. And that's what we like to see. Like to see the green, like to see the dividends increased as well as the stock go up. Keeps everybody happy. And that's pretty much it about J&J that I could find. It just kind of shows maintains overweight, outperform. Again, it just depends who you talk to. So this is kind of showing on the bullish side, but now says bearish. And this one shows a strong buy. So again, all depends who you talk to. With all the products they make, I consider it a strong buy myself. Unfortunately, I do not own any of J&J besides the partial shares, so I just kind of let them do their thing and got it on drip and reinvest the dividends. If you don't know what dividend or drip is, it's a dividend reinvestment program. So well, there you have it for J&J. Just kind of wanted to keep on your radar, and if you like dividends and want to retire and live off the dividends, it's a good one to look at. Again, I'm not telling you to buy or sell. Don't give legal or tax advice, and just bringing it to your attention. So again, this is Jay giving you an update on J&J. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.